In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a bathtub drain stopper kind of unit. It's a screw-in top unit, and I have it here in the box. I have taken it out and looked at it, and I just kind of want to show y'all before I install it what all you get when you order this thing. This is what it comes in. It comes in a little small white box like this, and here's the unit itself along with a kind of a backflow stopper, it looks like. And this is all like jet black. It looks to be an anodized type aluminum type fitting, very nicely coated on there. And this thing looks very premium. It has a very premium look. You get the hardware, and that's for your backstop right there. So there's that piece, but check this out. That way it matches. This comes in two types of settings right here. If you've got a wider mouth drain, that's what this brass fitting, but check it out. If you don't have a wider mouth drain, look at that. You take that fitting off. It's kind of like an adapter. Then you got this piece right here, and this is all metal. This is it feels to be all aluminum, so it's like anodized aluminum. And what's cool is it has a nice little sealant, gasket sealant right there that will mount flush up against the bottom of your tub. But check this out. So that's closed, and you see that logo on the top. It's got embroidered there, push. Check that out. Now it's open, so that way you can almost look right away and see. Or the coolest thing is, while you're wanting to take a quick bath or like fill up your tub, just hit it real quick, it's ready. No more pulling the little stopper up and down that you have to deal with. That's open and that's closed. So yeah, check that out. This is a very premium feeling item. This feels like something that'd definitely be like on a high value like bathtub or sink or something like that, but how functional. And it has a nice clicking sound, really nice quality feel to it. What a nice little innovative way for stopping water going down the drain. But that's it, everybody. There's the bathtub drain stopper. See you guys in the next video. Woo!